So you've installed Home Assistant in your house or on your laptop or your old desktop, or wherever you installed it, everything running smoothly. But the moment you step outside of your house, when you're trying to access it with 5G, you discover that you can't access it anymore. Got a solution for you. Today we're going to be installing Tailscale on Home Assistant server. It will enable you to actually access Home Assistant wherever you are. Also guys, the first option that's there is Nabukasa. Please support them. They are the ones who are actually creating this Home Assistant and maintaining it. So please guys, support them. But if you can't afford to support them, then you can follow along this video because we'll be using a free VPN called Tailscale. So yeah, let's go. Alright. So let's get started. So on Home Assistant, so I've got Tailscale here and Home Assistant here. So on Tailscale, you need to sign up. Just follow the instructions. Just signing up as we normally do. Everyone knows how to sign up. So I'm gonna sign in with Google here, with my Google account. So just sign up, create an account. Yeah, you're gonna find this page right here. So normally this is how Tailscale looks like sometimes. Maybe you don't know how I got here. You need to go to admin console. Then we're gonna see our devices here. Like the devices that we add on Tailscale, they're just gonna appear here. Right now we're gonna add our Home Assistant server. So we're gonna go to settings, add-ons, then add, then come here, let's search for Tailscale. Then install. Okay, whilst we're installing guys, I really appreciate that you actually clicked on this video and you chose my tutorial, because I know there are a lot of tutorials out there. I really appreciate. I'm a small content creator and it means a lot. And if you could, please just click on the subscribe button. It's free, just like this tutorial and Tailscale. Everything is free guys, so please. Okay, we're done here actually installing. So we're gonna tap here on Watchdog, auto update, add to sidebar so that we can see it here. So we're gonna start Tailscale now. Let's check here. So it's gonna take some time to start. Alright guys, so as you saw right here, I clicked here, then came here. Then here, this is where I'm supposed to log in with the same credentials that I have on my Tailscale here. So I'll just click on connect here. It's saying login successfully. Okay, let's go back. As you can see here, it's logged in. So on our Tailscale, this side, it should actually appear. It appeared automatically. So there are some things that we need to do before we actually connect. We download on the phone and connect. So we need to come here, click on these three dots, then edit route settings. You need to enable these two and this also. Okay, the use as exit node is when you're actually maybe using a public Wi-Fi, maybe at a restaurant or airport or wherever. Then you wanna act as if you're actually at home. This is when you use as exit node. It actually helps you out in terms of security purposes. It's more like connecting to your own personal VPN other than a paid VPN. So it's for security purposes. So you can actually enable it. So we're gonna click on save here. Done. So after this, we're gonna now start installing it on the cell phone. Okay, so on your phone, you need to go to your respective app store. Then you go and find Tailscale, download it. Well, when you download it, you go to you open it. So note that it might ask you that can you please install a VPN? So you just have to say yes, then enter your password, then sign in with the same account that you used to sign into your Tailscale. Then after that, just connect to VPN. In order for you to be able to test it, you need to switch off the Wi-Fi, turn on your data like your LTE or 5G, then go to Home Assistant and check if it really connects. So that's it with the phone. Let's go back to Alright, so as you can see here, I've got two devices right here, like the iPhone 14 Pro Max and my Home Assistant. So anything that I want to include on the network, I can just install it. If I want to include this desktop, I can install Tailscale and I'll be able to access it remotely, but this desktop stays here. If I have another laptop, I can actually install Tailscale on the laptop and I can be able to access Home Assistant. So that's how it works. I can just have a bunch of devices in the same zone and access them remotely. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video if you've got any questions. If you like this dashboard right here, check out a video. I did a video with my journey actually creating this dashboard. Maybe you might be interested in it. I don't know, but check it out.